The first thing we want to do, obviously, is to start to create our listing for our item. You can do this by navigating over to eBay.com and going over to the sell button, which usually would be in the top right corner. So we're going to click that. Once we're here, you could go enter in your account password in the required field if you get notified to do so. Because sometimes when you click that button, you will usually get redirected to a sign-in page where you have to sign in. So basically, yeah, just sign in. But then after that, you'll get to this page. And what you want to do is you want to click List an Item. And then we just want to go to what we are listing. So that's basically the item that you got, or one of the items that you got from the watchcount.com, the eBay process. You're going to want to choose either one of those items. So like I said before, I chose a smart trash can, so I will be doing the smart trash can. So smart trash can. I'm going to click search. We can do unbranded. I'm just going to do unbranded here because obviously can is not a brand. And here you could just do continue without selection. And you're going to click new. You want to click next. And you should be at this page. It loads in. Yeah. So, once you get here, you're going to want to click in the top right corner here where it says switch to business tool. You can continue to use this tool if you want, but I'm honestly more familiar with the business tool, and honestly it has much more features and it'll be much more worth it in the future if you get to start selling more on eBay. It's just a better layout overall, and it's more user friendly than this one is. So we're just going to click over to switch business tool. So we're going to click switch. And you should be redirected to this page. It's basically the same page but with a different type of layout. So, here we are. So, after that, you should be at the stage where you're at this page and nothing else is filled out. This is where we'll be going down the page, and I'll be showing you how to best optimize your listings using pictures, item specifics, description, and the pricing.